friends, welcome to Podcast Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about linked list in collections in Java. So what is a linked list? So linked list is basically a class in java.util package. Linked list class uses a doubly linked list to store the elements. As we have seen in the array list uses a dynamic array to store the elements. So it uses an array of indefinite size, like we don't need to provide the size to store the elements in the array list. In similar way, linked list uses doubly linked list to store the elements. The user can add data at the first position as well as the last position. So you can specify the position of the value. If you want to position any value at first position, then you need to use a method called add first. We will see that method details of linked list in the next video, but in this video we will cover the overview of the linked list. If we need to perform insertion and deletion operation, then linked list is preferred. When we want to just store the elements, then in that case ArrayList is preferred. But when we want to perform some manipulation operations such as insertion, updation and deletion, then linked list is preferred, because manipulation is fast as no shifting needs to occur. In ArrayList, as it is a dynamic array, whenever the manipulation happens, a shifting needs to occur. But in case of linked list, no shifting required. Linked list element is not stored at the consecutive address. They stored at any address, but they internally collected using the address of previous and next element address. So in the linked list, the elements are stored at any address, but they are internally connected with the address of previous and the next element. So Java linked list can contain duplicate element, as this particular linked list class implements the list interface. So what is the property of the list that we have seen in the array list as well, that they can contain the duplicate and they maintain the insertion order. So the values will be stored in the same preference as we have stored the values. So this was the theory about the linked list. Now how we create the linked list inside the code. So how to create a linked list. So this is the syntax to create a linked list, which is similar to the array list syntax, just the class name has changed now. Linked list, then we need to specify the data type, then the variable name, then the new linked list. Here the spelling mistake is there, ignore that. Okay, linked list, and then we need to provide the data type. So let's see in the code how we can declare a linked list and how we can add the element inside the linked list. This is my class called linked list demo. Now I will declare a linked list here. So let's say linked list. If I provide here control space, so see I'm getting here linked list class of java.util package. When I select this, then the class has been imported from the package java.util. So here I need to specify the data type. Let's say we want to store the values of string type. So I will say here string, then the variable name. So let's say we want to store the values of fruits inside the linked list. The name of the variable is fruit. Then we need to say new, control space. It will provide me linked list, and here also we can specify the data type, which is string. So in this way we have declared the linked list. Now we want to add the element inside this linked list. Now how to add these elements? So here I will say fruit dot add. So add is a method similar to the array list to add the element inside the linked list. So if I say here add, and then we can specify the values. Let's say apple. This is the first value which is stored inside the linked list. Then I will add fruit dot add orange, and let's add third value as well. Fruit dot add, let's say grapes. Now these are the three values which are stored inside this linked list, and if I try to print this linked list now, sys out, and I will specify the name of the linked list, fruit. If I run this code, so see we are getting the values in the same order in which we have inserted apple, orange and grapes. Let's say I want to duplicate the values now. If I add one more value here before apple, orange. So orange is now the duplicate value here, right? If I run this code, see, we are getting the values orange, apple, orange. So duplication is also allowed in the linked list. So in this way we have printed our linked list. Now what if I want to store the values of different data type inside the linked list? Now here we have provided the data type as string, and we are storing the string values inside this fruit linked list. But if I want to store different values inside the linked list, how I can do this? So let's say I declare a new linked list here. Let's say here we say linked list, control space, linked list. Now if I want to store the values of different data type, then no need to specify the data type here. Just provide the linked list, then the name. Let's say I want to have the details of orange here. Okay, so I will say here orange details. This is the name. It can be anything. Okay, then we need to say here new linked list. So now inside this linked list, now here we are getting error. Let me remove this angular brackets here. So the error is resolved now. So when you are trying to store different data type values, don't no need to provide the angular bracket as well. Just you need to say linked list, then the name of your variable. So that's it. And now we can add the values inside this linked list, which is orange details. Orange details dot add. Let's say we want to add the price here. So price is an integer value. So let's say 100 is the price. Okay. Now another detail we want to add here, orange details dot add. Let's say from where the oranges are exported, we want to provide some city name here. So that is a string value, right? So if I say here Nagpur, so this is a city name. So these are two different values, right? 100 is an integer value. This particular value Nagpur is a string value, and I want to add one more value, orange details dot add. Let's add character value as well. Let's say we have added one character value n, and now we try to print this linked list. Sys out and say orange details. If I try to run this code now, so see, I'm able to print the values inside the linked list which are of different data types, integer, string and character. Still the linked list is allowing me to do this because in the collection framework we can store the heterogeneous data type as well. Like in the arrays, we can store the data type of single type inside a particular array. But with the help of collection, we can store the heterogeneous data type as well. That means different data types inside a single variable. So I hope you have understood the theory behind the linked list and how to make use of linked list inside the code. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topic in next video. Thank you for watching.